Oh, there's a train bridge. Taken from Bell Road. It's gonna look killer.
Chalking out my sketch, sketching out my chalk, chalking my sketch. Alright, whatever. Guess what that is? Heading to the mural. Not ready this morning. Not feeling like it, but not used to taking steps, used to doing it all one shot, getting it done, but people won't let me do that. I would if I could. Do this whole mural in one shot. I wonder how long it would take me if I did it non-stop. I'd probably fall on the street and go, oh, can't do it. So, this is my third trip to the mural. I'm gonna draw out the bridge today. Okay, so it's all, I drew it out. Now I gotta paint it. I ain't gonna lie, it ain't been easy. It ain't been easy. I'm ready to paint though. So the problem is this gray looks brown. And it's gray. It's called gray. It's gray. Look at it. It looks brown. It looks brown. I don't know. Then I have to get different grays now. I think my rocks need work.